Hi madam, my name is Kibashin Ravindran and I would like to explain about the introduction of our group. So the first thing I will explain about the company information which is company profile. So first, our company name is Soil Pro Technical Services Sdn Bhd and our registered address at Selangor, Malaysia. In company registration number 252680W and telephone number 0488688989 and email is soilprotech_gmail.com and our working hours is Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and Sunday was the closed day. Okay, next I will move on to the company background. To the company background, Soil Pro Sdn Bhd began operate in April 1994 as a partnership and was incorporated as a private limited operation in March 1996. It's a firm that operates in all or any business involving geotechnical engineering. The company specializes in laboratory tests for soil samples from site level investigation works and in situ earthwork control, soil testing, that is soil testing for civil engineering purposes. Okay, next I will explain about vision. Okay, our company vision is to gain a consistent development in the country with high moral and attitude, working in accurate with the specification and become the leading geotechnical firm while delivering projects that consistently exceed international standards and provide external customer certification. Next, I will move on to the mission. So our mission is to continually innovative development and adopt state-of-the-art technology in methods and materials to enhance productive and cost-efficiency and to build a safety culture aimed at continuously reducing the frequency severity rate toward achieving zero accidents. Okay, next I will tell about the company location. So our company located as shown in here. Okay, next I will move on to the objective of our project. So the objective is to calculate the value of the ultimate bearing capacity, the allowable load and factor safety and settlement of the soil by taking the relevant factor using peg footing. Next will be to design foundation for the related case study based on the task given. The third is to learn and work in groups involves shared and learn values, resources and ways to doing things. Okay, next I will move on to the organization chart. Okay, first is project director. So our project director is Kogilavani Anak Perempuan Rahman. Next, the project manager. So the project manager is Amira Izzati Ramli. Okay, site supervisor is Nur Aisyah Arishad binti Muhammad Razi. The design engineer is myself and Masturina as a site supervisor. Okay, madam, that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Masturina Auni binti Muhammad Zaki. My metric number is DF170059. Our project description is to construct a rumah setingkat. Our project site is located at Bangin, Selangor. The project title is Pembinaan Penyiapan Rumah Satu Tingkat di atas sebahagian lot PT 5951 Bandar Aman Jaya, Mukim Sungai Petani, daerah Kuala Muda, Kedah Darul Aman. The area of development is proposed to be 1500 meter square. Since the site is located at average soft soil area, the first impression of the foundation need to be used in the project in shallow foundation. Regarding to the soil profile, for the level 0 to 1.5 meter, is begin excavate to remove the topsoil since the soil is soft, medium brown with light yellow sandy seed, so it is not useful for the construction. All the analysis has fulfilled the minimum requirements specified in the standard or authority regulation. For our SI report was carried out from 8 April 2019 until 7th April 2019. In general, the purpose of the soil investigation was to provide the following. First, information to determine the type of foundation required, shallow or deep. Second, information to allow the geotechnical consultant to make a recommendation on the available bearing capacity of the soil. Third, sufficient data or laboratory tests to make settlement and swelling prediction. Fourth, location of the groundwater level. The last one, information so that the identification and solution of excavation problem can be made. For the soil sampling, there are two, disturbed sample and undisturbed sample. For the groundwater table observation, the groundwater level is the borehole was measured while in progress daily at the following time before commencement of the work in the morning and after finish work in the evening. For the laboratory test, the following laboratory test was carried out in accordance with BS standard, code of practice and design manual of a select sample, such as classification test, soil strength test, and unconsolidated undrained strength test. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amira Izzah binti Ramli, DF170064. Okay, the main focus for our project based on the fundamental to design the foundation. Okay, the equation that we use is the correlation between angle of frictional and the standard penetration number to design the foundation based on our site. Then, from the SI report, we obtain the soil profile from the bore log. To design the foundation, we have used the Terzaghi equation to calculate the ultimate bearing capacity for a square foundation. By using the equation QU equal to QU over B, for square foundation, we can get the size of foundation at every column.
Hello doctor, my name is Kokilavani, matrix number DF170007. Today I am going to explain about the checking of foundation and checking of settlement. We have been given 5 different column loads, which is 200 kN, 500 kN, 750 kN, 1000 kN and 3000 kN. From the column loadings, we have found the width of the pad footings. Then we need to do the checking for foundation. Here we have to calculate the allowable gross load. The purpose of the allowable gross load is to compare the column loading with it. All of our 5 column loading is less than the allowable gross load, which means that the loading is bearable for the foundation to support. Next is checking for settlement. We used Mayer-Off method to do this checking. According to the Mayer-Off method rule, 25 mm will be the estimated maximum settlement for a shallow foundation. The highest settlement occur at our column E, which is 3000 kN with 13.88 mm settlement. Since it is lower than the estimated maximum settlement, so our overall settlement checking was okay. That's all, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, I will continue with conclusion or comments. First of all, we can conclude that the soil properties that we obtain from the bore log and the types of soils are suitable to design a shallow foundation. Secondly, types of soil for this project is mostly silty sand, even though there were other two different such as clay and silt. The square bed foundation was used in this project due to depth of foundation is 3 or 4 times the width of foundation. Thirdly, we propose the bed foundation due to soil properties and the load of the structure. Fourth, bed foundations are used to support an individual point load, such as that due to a structural column. Next, based on the analysis of structure, we obtain 5 groups of loading for column, which is 339.75 kN, 620.58 kN, 798.02 kN, 1748.12 kN, and 3166.23 kN. All of this loading is lower than Q allowed. So the settlement for this type of soil is low and do not highly occur settlement that we can see with even the greatest load, that is 3166.23 kN, is only 13.88 mm settlement that is lower than 25 mm. So we are using the value 3 as a factor of safety.